Welcome to how to use an OBD2 code scanner. You just bought your own OBD2 code scanner. Great move. You're no longer relying on a shop to tell you the truth about a car. It's incredibly easy to use. Here's how you do it in under 2 minutes. Locate the port under your driver's side dashboard. Plug the cable in. Turn your key to the on position. You don't need to start the engine, just make sure the dashboard lights are active. The scanner will wake up automatically. Press the main read button on the scanner. The scanner will talk to the car's brain and show you any error codes. If you see a code like P0420, don't panic, just write it down exactly how it appears. Scroll down the screen to see the description. Most scanners will tell you exactly which part is failing. Take a photo of the screen with your phone so you have it for later. You can now take those notes and look them up using our app or online to see how much that repair will cost. That's it. You've just performed your first professional diagnostic. Now that you can read codes, you're ready for the next step, spotting a seller who's trying to hide them.